Kaunti ya Kajiado, Ruhonge rwa Githomo Niruikitie Ritana kuri Aigithia na Andu a Wendi Mwega kunyita guoko na guteithiriria arutwo aria matari na uhoti wa guthii na mbere na githomo ni undu wa ukia.
The ceramics and other partners that we have requested them put more money in education because that is where the main challenge is today.
Mutongoria wa Kamiti ya Githomo Kauntini ino Ncharo akwaragia ari Igongonaini ria kuheana Bursary kuri Arutwo kuria augire ati namba ya arutwo aria marabatara guteithio ni ongererekete gukira mwaka muhituku. Oho Ncharo naugite ati gicunje kia arutwo aria maraingira kirathi gia form 1 ni ongererekete ni undu wa kigina kia Bursary iria kaunti ino yamukagira.
1% of our children have reported to form 1. We started at 64 some 3 weeks ago, but we've been able to mop up all the children from the villages to go back to school.
Makoriro makigunika na Mitaratara wa kenda Kenya ni makeneire mufango na kuhoya mufango uthii na mbere.
Kama community kwa hii Bursary ya watoto imetusaidia sana. Sana wale jamii ambayo hajiwezi.
Arutwo magana meri nio makorwo makigunika na Mitaratara wa kenda Kenya. Oho arutwo marikia guthoma ni merirwo gwetherwo wira niguo kuhota kwirugamira muturire-ini wao.
200 students who has benefited from this program, and we as a company we were continuously promote these students, and later on we also probably offer some job opportunities for them.
Githomo TV, Gitagwo wa Boy wa Mogo.